Hi everybody, and welcome to Beyond Shadow. On today's episode, I'm doing my favorite thing and I'm unboxing my Boxy Charm. Yay! So this is my second box, and I'm going to unbox all of my Boxy Charms on Beyond Shadow so that we can all be surprised together and see what's inside. I love getting these, and so far the first box was fantastic. I loved all the products in there, so I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's get started. So Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription that you can do. This is the base box. This one is only $25. I like having the base box so far just to kind of try it out, see how I like it. But you get 5 full-size products in these boxes, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. My goodness, look at this. I got Skin & Company Roma. This is a micro exfoliating truffle, so I can't wait to try that out. This is going to be fantastic. All right, what else? Oh, look at this. Too Faced Diamond Light. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It's a fire highlighter. What? Okay. Can't wait to see. Look at that. Love it. Oh, wow. What a cute little box. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. That's fantastic. Oh, wow. Can't wait to try that one out. I will definitely be utilizing that product. And next, I have a Dr. Brandt product. This is a 24/7 Retinol eye cream. Great. Fantastic. And what else do I have in here? An Avant product. This is an 8-hour Radiance Renewal sleeping mask. Oh, very nice. Like it. And last but not least, I have a Manna product, so I cannot wait to try this out. The shade looks great. I think this will probably match with a lot of skin tones. That's probably why they sent this product, so I'll have to give it a shot. I don't know Manna just yet, but I will find out for sure. So with this month's Boxy Charm, I got a little surprise in the mail as well. I actually got a bonus. I don't know what this is, so I pre-cut the packaging, but I haven't looked yet. So this looks great. I don't know what's in here. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Take these other ones out of the way. Oh my goodness. It's Tarte High Performance Naturals. And wow, check that out. I'm a huge fan of Tarte shadows, so I cannot wait to see this. Okay. If I can learn how to open it, that would be great. Look at this. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, wow. How beautiful. Look at that product. It's fantastic. Oh, that's gorgeous. Those colors are fantastic, very neutral. So these shades are these are perfect for wearing in the daytime. You know, if you don't want to get your glam on too much at work, I love it. So these are great products that you can wear pretty much anytime. Look at that. Be you naturally. So that makes lots of sense. The title of that product and the eyeshadow palette. It has, let's see, look at that. It's got these beautiful shades in here. I love this. I love this neutral pink, and I'm digging this color here because I would definitely use that as a base on my shadow blends. So I look forward to trying this out. I can't wait to see what that product looks like. So thanks for joining me on Beyond Shadow for unboxing. This was Boxy Charm box number 2. So I'm just thrilled already with the products that I've received so far. So I cannot wait to try these out, especially this. this. Oh, so pretty. I think this Tarte palette is fantastic, so I cannot wait to give that a shot. I'm excited also for the Face Gommage product. That's an exfoliator. I'm always looking for great products that bring out the glow in your skin, so I can't wait to try that one as well. And of course, I think one of my faves is definitely going to be this Too Faced product. So I'm super excited to give that a shot. I love that pink and gold in there. It's beautiful. So I think this shade is going to work really, really well with a lot of different shadow palettes. I have my Pretty in Pink shadow palette. I think that would look fantastic. So really excited to try these out. As soon as I get them on and I give them a go, I will definitely let you know how they came out. So thanks a lot and I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my video and my channel, and I will see you next time on Beyond Shadow. Thank you. Bye.